Safety top of mind for the Indian River County Sheriff. Eric Flowers now outfitting all of his deputies with brand new guns after one of his own was injured this past summer. Flowers says a deputy's pistol went off in his holster without the deputy ever touching it. WPTV News Channel 5's Kate Hussey shares a story tonight that doesn't just affect officers, it affects your safety as well.
At the Indian River Sheriff's Office gun range, deputies fire off brand new weapons.
We have to have guns that they're confident with.
It's not just about confidence, though, but safety. After an incident Sheriff Eric Flowers says happened at that range July 14th.
I wanted to make sure that the public was aware of this.
Flowers says Deputy Zach Seldis was here for a training class when he took off his vest. And all of a sudden, his SIG P320 pistol fired off in his holster, the bullet hitting his calf.
The bullet traveled down his leg and lodged just before his ankle.
Deputy Seldis isn't speaking himself because he's now suing Sig Sauer, the maker. But Flowers says it prompted him to shelf the SIG and partner with a new maker called the FN 509.
Which recently was deployed by the Los Angeles Police Department, one of the largest police departments in the country.
And this is not the first time Sig Sauer has faced scrutiny. According to a separate lawsuit, a prominent online gun shop pulled the P320 pistol from its shelves after 20 similar injuries in 2017. Most recently, an officer injured in Connecticut, the gun firing out of his holster.
From Connecticut, you'll see in the video, the officer is inside of the police department. He leans forward, the gun goes off of the holster. There's no hands anywhere near it. There's nobody touching it. That's a grave concern to me.
Flowers now thankful for the new partnership and the hardware that comes with it. Worrying what happened to his deputy could have happened to one of his citizens.
What happens the first time that a deputy draws his weapon, points it at somebody, and a round goes down range, and the deputy says, "I didn't pull the trigger"?
We reached out to Sig Sauer. We have yet to hear back, but Sheriff Eric Flowers says he bought these guns for a total of $136,000 or $400 per gun, a price he says is well worth the safety of his deputies and those whom they serve. Reporting in Indian River County, I'm Kate Hussey, WPTV News Channel 5.